Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll introduce you to the new Instagram feature called Message to Reveal. This new feature allows you to create a blurred Instagram story. Your followers will only be able to view the story if they reply to it. You can see how it looks in the video. Let's start with the process of creating such a story. Open the Instagram app and add a photo or video to your story. Edit the image and add additional elements as desired. After that, click on the sticker icon. If you don't have this reveal button yet, as shown on the screen, update your Instagram app. Find the reveal button and click on it. A new window will automatically open where you enter the desired text. This story will be blurred. People can see it after they message you. I will enter the word hello for demonstration purposes. I will finish this process by clicking done. You can position and resize the sticker as desired. You can see how your story will look by clicking the preview button. I will now publish the story, and from another profile, I'll show you what it looks like to followers. Here we are from another profile. I will click on Message to Review and then reply to the story with text. After the message is sent, we see a clear, unblurred story. I hope you'll like the new Instagram feature. Like the video if you enjoyed it and follow our channel for more digital updates.